Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. It's Jonesy. Hello to new and returning subscribers. If you have not yet hit that like button or the subscribe button, make sure that you do. We are going to be making another crochet wig for under $25. This is my freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I've been wearing it in a bun with these twists for a couple days. That's why it looks kind of raggedy. Don't judge me though. Don't judge me, y'all. Okay, so you are going to need your crochet hair. I am using the Free Tress Braid Beach Curl 12 inch in colors 2, and I had a pack of 1B left over, and I mixed in a little bit of the 4 that I found. It's literally just like a handful of 4 that I'm going to use in the front of my hair. So that amounts to 2 packs of hair use. I'm going to be using my scarf. I will be using a crochet needle, and I will also be using a wig cap. I like to make my crochet wigs directly onto my head, but this is not a method that you have to use. If you would like to use the mannequin head, the foam head that everybody uses, go ahead and use it, y'all. I just like to use my own head as the template because this ensures that I won't use too much hair and that the hair will lay and be styled exactly the way that I want it without me having to put too much of an effort into it. Okay, so after I put my scarf on, I'm going to put my wig cap on top of my head and start with the wig process. So as you can see here, the Free Tress Beach Curl, it's my favorite. The texture is amazing. I've already spoken about this before. It's definitely my favorite texture of hair. I like it way better than the Go-Go Curl because the Go-Go Curl, that can become very matted and messy quickly. The Beach Curl tends to last longer and it's much softer and has a more coarser feel to it without being hard. It's really soft. I can separate it very easily, as you can see. So again, the same method that I use in all of my other videos, you want to stagger your hair. This will ensure that the hair lays nice and neat, that you will have layers, and it gives a more natural effect. So you will not have to lose most of your hair to cutting because you have installed it all at the same length. So this again ensures that you have natural layers. I just insert the crochet needle under 2 spaces. You can do as many spaces as you want. 2 to 3 works best for me. And you crochet the hair into it just as you would on your head. Now I wanted to get a little bit close up that you could see that what I'm doing is going around the wig cap as well with the same method. I am staggering the hair. I am splitting the hair into 2 sections and then I am staggering it, and I am placing the crochet needle into the holes on the wig that are right above the wig cap line. This will ensure that the hair will lay nicely. It will also have a wonderful layered look to it, and it covers the lining of the wig cap really well. If this does not cover the lining of the wig cap for you, what you can do is loop the hair around the lining of the wig cap as you insert it, and that will completely cover the wig cap. Okay, as you can see, I have made a lot of progress. I have done the back and most of the middle, so I just have this top portion, but I wanted to show y'all the layers. Look how great these layers look. I haven't even cut anything yet, but they already look really great because I staggered the hair. I really want to make sure that you guys do this so that this will also ensure that you not only don't use an insane amount of hair so your hair doesn't look too poofy, but again, the hair will lay really pretty and look really natural, and you won't have to lose too much hair to cutting. So again, same method. Make sure that you are splitting your pieces. You are staggering the length, so one side is longer than the other side. You are going to loop the crochet needle through the hole, form a loop with one hand, pull it through, tie it around into a knot. The exact same way you would crochet and install on your hair is the same thing you're going to do to the wig cap. Whew, thank you, Jesus. I am done, y'all. Okay, so look how thick and beautiful and luscious this looks. And I haven't even got to my favorite part, which is the cutting. I hope that you can really see that I have the 4B hair, which is just a little bit of that brown. I went ahead and installed it in the front of my hair just so it can come across as a really natural and pretty highlight, especially because it's summer, it's really nice and bright outside. You want to add a little color to your hair. So I don't like my hair too long, so I like to cut downward, as I've stated in my previous videos, because your curls are going to bounce up. So when you cut straight across, it's going to be very blunt and it's not going to look natural unless you want to go for a bobbed look. If you want to have nice layers that are staggered and looks really natural, then you want to point your scissors down when you are cutting curly hair. I like to cut a bang, and I also like to frame layers around my face. I tend to wear my hair to the side, so I framed out some pieces on the side to be a little bit shorter, and I don't like a bang to be onto my eyelashes, so I like to cut above the eyelash, right about the eyebrow area for a bang. But you cut your style however you'd like. Make sure that when you are cutting that you are also bringing the hair all the way to its stretched state. What I mean is, as you can see how when I cut the hair, I'm pulling down on it first. This ensures that when it bounces back up, it's not going to be too short. So you want to pull the hair taut and then cut it. Y'all, we are done. So look at that. Look at our wig. We are looking way too good, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Please leave any questions or comments below. I am on Instagram at toliveanddaytonla. My blog is toliveanddaytonla.co. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for your support. You guys have been so amazing and wonderful and sweet and awesome. And I really hope that these videos help you and inspire you to create your own DIY for less. Alright, y'all, have a blessed, amazing day. Thanks.